Hello, beautiful and wonderful family. Welcome once again to my channel. Star Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old and new subscribers, God richly bless you for being with me always. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to make your own baby or kids body better. Then step back and let's get back to my workstation and watch this video together. Please remember to support your girl by liking, commenting, and also sharing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you. Let's get back to my workstation and watch this video together. Let's start to make our case and tin body better. But let me welcome you back to my workstation. Guys, I'm using Shea Better, which is 165 ml. 165 grams of my Shea Better. You can use any better of your choice. Mango better, carrot better, turmeric better, any better of your choice. But I'm using my Shea Better. Shea Better moisturize the skin, fights breaks out, acne, scars. So I love Shea Better. So I'm using Shea Better. And I melted my Shea Better through the sun. Yes, I use the sun to melt. You can also use the double boiler method to melt it. And my first oil will be my black seed oil. Yes, I'm going to add in my black seed oil. I'll also add in my neem oil. These are all for inflammatory and skin problems oil. I'll also add in my sweet almond oil for glowing and also moisturizing. It will give it a glowing effect. And my lavender oil. So these are the oils I will be added to it. Yes, I've combined all the oils. I'm using carrot oil 45 ml for glowing, black seed 15 ml, neem oil 15 ml, sweet almond oil 30 ml, turmeric oil 30 ml, and my lavender oil 10 ml. You can also add in 5 ml of your vitamin E oil, please. Vitamin E oil. And these are the powders: aloe root powder, mulberry powder, and also sulfur powder. I'll add only 3 powders to this one. Yes. Okay, right now I'm going to add in my mulberry powder. Yes, 30 ml of my mulberry powder, which is 2 tablespoons, please. I'm adding in 30 grams of my mulberry powder. Then I will stir it with the oil for it to be mixed. Mulberry powder is one of the lightening agent. It's very good, but it's good for children. Please, it's good for children. Even this body better, adult skin can use it. Everybody can use it. All skin type can use it. It will just glow it up. Yes, you will get that glowing effect. So it is very nice. Adult, children, kids, everybody can use it. Please. Yes, that's my mulberry powder. I added in 2 tablespoons, which is 30 grams. This is my oil fragrance. I'll add to it at the end of it, please. Yes, you can add in any fragrance of your choice, but please make sure that it is an oil fragrance. And this is my sulfur powder. Sulfur powder, I'll add a pinch, which is 2 grams, please. I'm adding a little of my sulfur powder. Sulfur powder takes in the rashes, the skin problem like eczema and those things. So I'm adding a pinch. Then I will stir it with the oil for it to be mixed. After stirring it very well, I'm going to also add in my aloe root powder. Aloe root powder will serve as also a thickening agent, and also it will absorb to the skin very well. So I'll add in 10 grams of my aloe root powder and mix it well with the oil. Mix it well with the oil. Please subscribe to my channel. Also turn your notification bell, please. If you have watched my video till this part and you have not subscribed, also liking, then oh god, please subscribe to my channel now and be part of our family by liking my video. I will stir it for the powder and the oil to be mixed. Okay, after that, then I will cover it fine and put it in my fridge, or I will send it to my fridge for 20 to 30 minutes, please. For 20 to 30 minutes. Now I am done with it. I'm going to cover it and send to my fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. So guys, yes, now our 20 to 30 minutes is done, and this is the end of it. You can see how it look like. Yes, I'm now going to use my stick blender to make it more fluffy by blending it. I'm going to stick blend it properly. If you don't have the stick blender, please, another method. After adding all the powder and the oil, make sure to stir it properly. Get a container with a cover. Then you pour all the oil inside. After that, then you cover it tightly and you send to your fridge for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, you have get your body better. You can use it. Your children can use it. All skin type can use it. It just glow the skin. Please, this body better can glow the skin. You can add in vitamin E oil to it, your coconut oil to it. Any better of your choice, you can add in. Yes, guys, I'm going to use my spatula to mix it a little bit. I'll blend it again because it still have the freezing effect, so I will still blend it again. I added in 15 ml of my turmeric oil in the first phase, and I'll add in the rest of the 15 ml. Guys, please take note. You can add in any oil of your choice, but me, I choose turmeric because turmeric also clears sunburn. It clears any skin problems. Also, it glows the skin. Yes, it will give you that glowing yellowish tone. So I'll add in my turmeric oil, 15 ml of it. My infused turmeric oil. This is the infused one, please. I've not even removed it from the jar. One of the reasons I choose turmeric oil is it will give the child a yellow tone. Okay, a yellow skin tone. This is my infused turmeric oil. I will teach you how to do it. No worries. Just subscribe to my channel and also like my video. Yes, I will teach you everything. You can do it by yourself in the house. Yes, and you can use it too. It is very, very good to give you that yellowish tone. One of the reasons I love about turmeric is that giving you that yellowish tone. I'm now going to use my stick blender to finish it. We are going to blend it again. So guys, you see our end product, so yummy, so fluffy. Let's stir it again. Yes, I'm using my spatula to turn it. You see how it look like. And the total of it is 350 grams or 350 ml. Okay, the total batch. I'm going to scoop all into my container, but before that, let me show you saw powder. Yes, this powder was made by me. You can use it on your face at the same time your body. It is very, very good. It smells good. So if you want me to show you how to do it, you can also show it in the comment section that Auntie sir, I just want to learn how to do it, or I'm interested in it. Then I'll show you guys how to do it. Yes guys, please, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, also turn on notification bell. Please like, share, and also comment. Try to share my videos, try to comment my videos. God bless you for being with me so far. See you.